Oh, welcome to another new widget, Fanchecker widget. You just drag the Fanchecker widget into the section and you will find default design. If you want, you can change the design. So go to icon library and click and choose your icon from the library. Here I am choosing user icon. Select the icon and insert, and see the image is here. Title, you can also change the title. I'm giving the title name user. With title you can edit descriptions. From element section you can set the position of descriptions and title, and you will be able to set text or title and ribbon button, left, center and right. A fancy icon position, if you set left, when you hover you see the icon will be visible in the left side. When I'm selecting right, hover and see icon in the right side. Go to read more section and set. You can set you can add a new text in read more sections, and you also be able to link to the read more button. Go to icon box and set image from the library. And see image is here. Go to additional options. You will be able to set badge with the title. Badge will help you what type of go to badge sections and set badge background color, also text color. Go to content tab and select badge. From here you can choose a badge name. I'm typing hot. And see from position section, see you will be set a badge from various positions, such as top left, top center, top right, or rotate. There are opportunity to rotate the badge. I'm giving -90. You can set offset horizontally and vertically. Go to additional options again. Here we will see indicator. Here we will see indicator. Go style tab and hit on the indicator sections, and here you will find 5 style, and you can choose any of them. And check all of them. Go to content indicate, hit on the indicator. Here you can set width of the indicator, offset horizontally and vertically, as well as rotation. Now come to indicator and set fill color and stroke color. Go to icon or image sections. Under normal, you can set background color and see a background color behind the image. I go to hover and set color again, and when you are hovering, see background color are changing. You can also reduce color during hover. Go to normal tab and go to advanced radius. See image as shaped. Here you can rotate. Go to opacity and scroll the opacity scroll bar and see image opacity reducing and decreasing. Go to title and set title. Look at the user. Go to additional. Here you find classic and set color. Go to normal tab, and when I'm reducing color, change opacity. Image background is invisible. Here from description section you can set excerpt color, as well as read more color, text color. See the output. Right now I'm in the demo phase, and you find various type of design, and that is possible. Fancy car widget. Thanks for being with me.